Can you share a case study with us of a company that's already leveraging and using and gearing up in 3D printing?
Yeah. There's this. When I went to see this company, I was completely flabbergasted because I had all these visions and I thought I was so far ahead. And then I show up at this company, and they're like a year ahead of me.
Of what you were thinking?
Yeah, exactly. And that company is Jabil. It's the number 3 contract manufacturer in the world. They are building an incredible digital platform, and they're the largest purchaser of HP printers, which are very superior, and they have investments in several other printer companies. And they're reforming their entire system to use essentially the things that I said were the core elements of these pan-industrial firms. And they're geniuses at displaying it. I mean, when you walk in, they have like room-sized walls of screens, and you feel like you just walked into NORAD. And it watches the flow of products being made over the whole supply chain.
And where are they based out of? Where are they?
Well, they're, of course, in multiple places, but the headquarters is in Florida. Their main production activity and research activity is in California. And then, of course, they have hundreds of plants all around the world. And I walked in there and I said, wow, better talk to these people.
There you go.